The thing with wings that could not fly. Well, it wasn't that she couldn't, it was that she was told not to. Told that it wasn't safe to jump off cliffs and take risks. But what if that was what she was made for? The funny thing is that she saw things like her everywhere. They dressed in suits and reminisced on dreams they once had to fly. But instead, they lived lives of whispers and unmet potential. They clipped their own wings and told the other things that flying was a myth. So when they see the thing with wings that couldn't fly, they hand her a suit instead of the courage to jump. The regret they feel is so strong that they won't acknowledge that it is indeed regret. Instead, they call it this ugly word: reality.